Ever wondered how to store your precious Persian rugs to ensure they last a lifetime? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Razi, your go-to rug expert from rugman.com, the first online rug store, and your one-stop shop for authentic, high-quality, handcrafted Persian and Oriental rugs. Before we dive into the world of rug storage, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our rug care tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Persian rugs are not just floor coverings, they're works of art woven with love and care. And like any piece of art, they need to be treated with respect. When it comes to storing these beauties, there are a few key things to remember. Firstly, always clean your rug before storing it. Dirt and dust can damage the fibers over time, so give it a good vacuum or professional cleaning. Secondly, roll, don't fold. Folding can cause creases and damage the rug's structure. Instead, roll your rug tightly, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Next, protect your rug from pests. Moths and carpet beetles are the enemies of Persian rugs. To keep them at bay, wrap your rug in a breathable fabric like cotton or muslin. Avoid plastic as it can trap moisture and lead to mold and mildew. Lastly, store your rug in a cool, dry place. Extreme temperatures and humidity can damage the fibers and dyes. And remember, never store your rug in a basement or attic where it can be exposed to dampness or fluctuating temperatures. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, your Persian rug will remain as vibrant and beautiful as the day you bought it. Speaking of buying, if you're in the market for a new rug, head over to rugman.com. We have thousands of beautiful Persian and Oriental rugs waiting for you. And the best part? We offer free shipping within the contiguous United States and Canada, a worry-free return money-back guarantee, and a 110% price match. Remember, at rugman.com, we sell one-of-a-kind Oriental and Persian rugs at unbeatable prices. We ship our rugs directly from the loom to your room, skipping 8 layers of traditional markups. So what are you waiting for? Visit rugman.com today and find your perfect rug. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more rug care tips and tricks. Until next time, this is Razi, signing off. Happy rug shopping!